In this video, we're going to show you how to fix any Windows errors and recover data with this all-in-one tool. All right, so what you need to do is go to Chrome or Edge or whatever browser you like to use and just go to Google and type in Windows Repair Toolbox. As you can see here, we already did that. And you need to click on the very first option, which is windowsrepairtoolbox.com. So just click on that. Let's open a new tab for that. And here, it says here Windows Repair Toolbox, almost everything you need to repair Windows problems in one small handy tool. As you can see here, there's like a GIF here that shows like the interface of this and says here, is a portable program that helps you repair a Windows system by making the process faster, easier, and more consistent. The features download and run on the fly, the best free software when it comes to diagnosing and solving with several kinds of Windows problems with 3 exceptions. All the programs included in the toolbox are portable. The tools are categorized by their function, and the program will automatically download the correct version of the Windows edition in which you're working on. So what you need to do is very simple, right? So click download the latest version, pretty much this one. So just click on that. And as you can see here, it's already downloaded. So let's open that and go to downloads. So you just need to unzip this and then just, this is the app here, and you just need to use it. And what it's going to open is this interface here that you see here. So as you can see here, malware removal, maintenance, repair, updates, and a lot of other goodies here. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.